Introducing Pillola, the smart, secure, portable pill dispenser. Hello, I'm Pranav Ramesh, co-founder and developer of Pillola. Pillola is a smart, personalized pill dispenser for seniors in senior living facilities that makes it easier for seniors to receive their pills in a secure, error-free manner. Pillola is the best solution for seniors who need assistance maintaining their medication, as well as for overworked living facility staff, all while maintaining a compact form factor. Now let's talk tech. First, the senior or staff at their living facility will load pills into the container. Once the senior is notified by a buzzer in the bottle or a mobile notification to take their pill, they can authenticate themselves using a fingerprint scanner. And Pillola will dispense the correct dosage of medication using the dial dispensing mechanism. The secure authentication method helps prevent medication theft that is becoming increasingly prevalent in senior living facilities. Alternatively, seniors can enter a 4-digit passcode to dispense their pill. Having 2 different ways to authenticate ensures that seniors receive their medication when needed. Pillola consists of 3 main components: the outer container shell, the inner tray, and the LCD cover. The inner tray houses the pill storage unit, the dial dispenser, and the pill outtake area. Pills are first stored in the storage unit. When Pillola is ready to dispense, a custom indexing dial collects a single pill and turns 180 degrees to dispense the pill in the outtake area. This ensures that users always receive the correct amount of pills. Pillola is powered by Arduino and the Blink Cloud platform and is programmed in C++. It was designed in CAD through Autodesk software, a professional 3D modeling software. All Pillola components are 3D printed. I launched this product as part of the Jerome Fisher Management and Technology Summer Institute at the University of Pennsylvania Wharton School. If you'd like to know more about Pillola, visit pranavramesh1.wixsite.com/Pillola. Thank you.